In this video, we are going to see a simple technique on how you can add a hyperlink across multiple sheets in Excel. So here in this example, we have a data mapping sheet, which is the main table of contents. And we have already seen how we can link this data mapping to different sheets. So whenever we want to switch between any of the sheet, we can do it from here. This is our main page. So if you want to go to payroll, we are here. And after that, we have learned how we can create the buttons and link it to a hyperlink so that it looks like a clickable button. And whenever we click on it, we are back on the sheet, and we have separately inserted this for every single sheet. So if you have only a couple of sheets, it will be easy for you. But if you, let's say, have 50 or 100 sheets, it will take a lot of time. So let's see another solution. So if we, let's say, directly want to include a hyperlink in all of these sheets, what I can do is I can select the first sheet and I can hold the shift key and select the last one. What you will notice that it will select all the sheets like this. But if I right click on any cell, let's say I1, I cannot add a link to it. So what is the method? The method is very simple, but it involves a couple of steps that need to be followed in the same way. Otherwise it won't be able to insert it. First of all, just choose the first sheet where you want to insert the link, and we can write anything, main or go to main, whatever we want. So I'll just keep it main, format it in a certain way, however you want. Let's make the text white, and then we right click on the link and just link it to place in document, and I'll link it to data mapping or the main sheet. We might need to reformat it a little bit after that. So I've reformatted it as well. Now, if you want to edit the screen tip as well, because the screen tip is showing a long link, so it looks all messed up, I'll just click on the screen tip and go to main sheet. I'll change it in this way. So again, I might need to change the formatting. And whenever I now hover over to it, it will show us the reference like this. So that's all good. The task is we need to apply it to every single sheet. After that, it's very simple. Just copy this and just select the first sheet wherever you want to paste next, and hold the shift key, select the last one. And let's say in I1, I want to paste this, just Control V to paste. And after that, you will notice that it will be inserted in every single sheet. And whenever I click on this, it will work and go to main for all. So the trick is just do this for one sheet, create the link, format it however you want, and then just multi-select all the sheets and paste it on any particular cell, and it should work. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.